For Holy Week, I'll be with my family and we're spending it in Baguio. Matagal-tagal kami hindi nakakit ng Baguio and yung house namin sa Baguio kasi yung isa sa mga unang binuild ng dad ko na house. So, bibisitahin namin yung bahay namin doon. And at the same time, family bonding na rin namin.
This Holy Week, my family and I will be going to Batangas. We're renting a house at the beach. Matagal na yun, siguro may 2 months na that we've been planning it. So, next week tuloy na siya. I hope that you will all have a very solemn Holy Week. Huwag natin kalimutan that it's not all about the vacation, diba, and going out of town. Huwag natin kalimutan magdasal pa din. And kung ano talaga yung diwa ng Holy Week and Easter Sunday.
For Holy Week, we might go to La Union. And kung matuloy, mag-surfing kami and wakeboarding with my friends and of course family. And ayun, mag-enjoy lang, mag-relax and yeah, sana matuloy. La Union or Bora. Mag-enjoy kayo kung saan man kayo pupunta this month. And sa mga nag-graduate or mag-graduate pa lang, congratulations and God bless.
My plans for Holy Week? Actually, no plans. I'm just gonna stay in Manila. I actually like to stay in Manila during Holy Week kasi tahimik, mas nakaka-relax ako. So, I prefer to just stay at home during Holy Week.
Siyempre, magsisimba. Tapos higit sa lahat, hindi ko kakalimutan yung mga minamahal namin na sa makabilang buhay, dadalawin namin. Tapos siyempre, yun, kasama ang pamilya, magpapahinga din. Yun. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na pumunta sa mga minamahal niyo at magdasal. At siyempre, kailangan maging cautious pa rin kayo habang nagmamaneho. At pag babiyahe kayo na malayo, pa-check niyo yung mga gulong niyo lagi. Thanks!